Hi, if you need to enable SOS messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open Settings. Here, you just need to select the Safety and Emergency and now go in the Emergency SOS. So first of all, we need to enable Require Swipe to Call. So after you press the Set button 5 times, you will need to swipe the Call button to trigger the emergency number. And don't forget to set the emergency number. Here is the list. And also you can enter here the custom number. So after that, you can enable this Send SOS to emergency contacts. And now we just need to set emergency sharing and add some contacts. So here I'm gonna select this button to add emergency contact and select my friend Maddie. After that, you can either enable or disable to show on the lock screen. I'm gonna keep it enabled. So what does it mean? Emergency contacts are people you trust to help you in emergency. They will be contacted if you start emergency sharing. Now let's save the changes by going back. And here you can also attach pictures and attach audio recordings. It will be included in your messages to this person. And if you want to start emergency sharing, you will need to tap this button. Here, read the information in this pop-up window and select this button to start. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.